Vandanam, Namaste, welcome to GTH. Today's video is about how to make an anarkali top from a cotton saree. It has borders on both the sides. The required lining is 3 meters for this top. And I'm using the pallu part to make borders. Let's cut the lining first. Already I have cut the bodice part, for which I have shared the link in description box below. Please go and check it. Let's cut the sleeves. For that I have folded the fabric twice by width. And I am marking sleeve length as 6.5, including 1 inch of seam allowance, and 10.5 as sleeve breadth, including 1 inch of seam allowance. Sleeve side length is half of sleeve length for short sleeves. I marked 3.75, including 1 inch of seam. And now I join the armhole measures from sleeve length point to sleeve side length point, drawing the sleeve as is shaped. After cutting, we will get 2 pieces front and back. And we have to deepen the front armhole for half an inch at one side. Let's move on to the bottom cutting. For that, I have folded the material half by width and again folding it as shown in the video. I am marking the waist measurement of 10.5 here, and from that measurement marking for the bottom length of 33 inches. See here, including 1 inch of seam, and joining it to the other end. You can see it clearly when I cut them. And we have to attach these bits at the bottom. I have attached the bits and folded the bottom round for front and back. We shall move on to the cutting of main fabric for the top part. For that, keep both the front and back lining fabrics on the main fabric and cut them. I have taken here the border for sleeves and finished cutting them. We shall move on to the kali measurements. Top length 50, waist round 38, bodice 15 inches, bottom part of the kali, that is length minus bodice, 50 minus 15. So 35 will be the kali's length. This is the formula for upper part of the kali. Waist round plus 2 dividing by number of kalis we are making. Here the waist round is 38 inches plus 2 inches equal to 40 dividing by 8. I am making here 8 kalis. 40 by 8 is 5. Here I have taken 5 inches width for each kali, and adding 1 inch of seam allowance, it will be 6. This is for upper part. Measurement for bottom of a kali will be as per our requirement. Here I have taken 25 inches and adding 1 inch of seam, so it's 26 inches. Now I will explain you in a paper how to make a kali. I am folding the paper half by width, leaving 1 inch at the folded side. Now making marks for the kalis. As per the measurements, marking 6 inches at the top of the kali and 26 inches at the bottom, and vice versa. After cutting them, I got 8 pieces of kali. Here I have folded the saree half by width. I am doing the same on the main fabric as I did in the paper. Please note, the center point of both bottom and top of the kali should lie on the same line. Here are the markings. Sorry guys, it's not clear as the marker is very light. I have cut them now. I have taken 6.5 inches length and 3 inches width for front neck. For back neck, length is 5.5 inches and width is 3 inches. Let's start stitching. To make the front part more elegant, I am attaching border to it. I have folded both the sides of the border and attaching them. Now place the lining fabric on the correct side of the main fabric and finish the neckline. Then give cuts and turn it. Make a top stitch and attach all the sides with lining. I have finished the back part with the same procedures. Finished both front and back parts and join the shoulders. To attach sleeves, I am placing the lining on the main fabric by matching their correct sides each other and making a stitch at the corner with a foot gap. Then give turn and do a top stitch and attach all over the sides. I have finished both the sleeves and going to join it with the body. For that, I am keeping the correct side of the sleeve with the correct side of the body by matching the sleeve center with shoulder and started joining it from one side. Before that, please make sure the deep side of the sleeve is matched with the front part of the body. I finished stitching both the sleeves. I have taken two cullies here. By placing one on top of another, I will stitch it on the right side. I am attaching other cullies to the stitched one in the same way. Here I have attached 4 cullies for front in the same way attached for the back part. Now I am joining the lining fabric with the cully by stitching on the waistline. I have also attached lining with the back cully. Already I have mentioned bottom length as 35 inches, but I have made cully for 31 inches, in which I am adding 4 inches of border. Now I am attaching border to the front cully. I have attached border to back cully also. This is the front cully. I am attaching it with the front body part. Just I am matching both of its center point. I am stitching them now. I have also attached the back body part with the back cully. I am doing the side fitting now. While coming to the waistline, please listen here carefully. I am keeping all the materials together, that is lining and main fabric, and making a stitch till 6 inches. See here, I am stitching till 6 inches. Then push the main fabric inside and continue the stitching for lining. After that, stitch the main fabric separately. And I have finished the same process on other side also. Guys, the finished piece is ready to wear. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for notifications. If you really like the video, please give a big thumbs up. Thank you.